need your help making some decisions about what clothes I should and shouldn't keep. Let me just recap. So I was thinking about going through my clothes and like sorting things out and seeing what I want to keep, what I'm going to wear, because some things I've had for years I've never worn them before. So I kept procrastinating about it, and then the other day this rack collapsed. Look at my bar. I just took off this pile of clothes because it was leaning and it's just sinking and sinking. See how it's swooped and it's leaning? Oh, I'm disgusted. I'm devastated. So now I have a mountain of clothes here that I have to sort through to find out what I'm going to keep. Some things I know for a fact I'm going to keep because I just love them or I've worn them recently. Some things I've had for years, never wore, they're still new with tags. So I'm going to need you guys' help deciding on if I should keep it or not. I need you guys to weigh in the comment section about what I should do. The ones that I'm going to keep, I'll show you what they look like, but then Britt's going to put them on the rack. Now, concerning the rack. This rack was leaning so hard that it caused that one to lean. So both of these racks need to be replaced. Well, actually, all three of them I want to replace, but I don't know what I'm going to do just yet with like the closet system. So until I decide that, I'm going to just try to use this rack. I have a certain aesthetic I like in here, and so I can't just make a rash decision. My beauty room is like gold, white, cream, those kind of colors in here. So I turned the rack around. I tried to fix it. But I could not fix it. It's the leaning side not going towards the wall to help support it. I don't know how long this is going to last. This one doesn't even go over here. I don't know why this is over here. Now this one I just got done wearing recently, so I'm going to keep this one. So I've had this one for a few months. I was actually going to wear this one the other day, but I couldn't find shoes to go with it. So we're keeping this one. I just got to find some shoes. This is a two-piece set, one of the only flannel pieces I still have left in my collection. So I'm going to keep this. I love it so much. Oh, this one I'm keeping. Oh. It's like a denim matching set from Fashion Nova. Got a lot of keeps, y'all. Oh, this one, I'm keeping this one as well. It's a two-piece set from Fashion Nova. I haven't worn it yet. I took a picture in it. I haven't worn it yet, but I love this so much. The only thing with this is that the pants are a little too big in the waist, so I gotta find a way to stitch those up. But other than that, I love this set so much. This one, like, I love this coat, but I'm also like, is it just team too much? Try it on for you guys. It's dramatic. I worn it just one time. It's so long. Like, it like literally drags the floor. It's dragging the floor. Hopefully you guys can see in the mirror. This is how it looks. Even the things are long. I have to like roll it back when I wear it. But it's so cute. It's like such a statement piece. Oh God, I don't know if I can get rid of this. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, you guys. Should I keep this or no? Oh, this one. I love this one. I'm keeping this. I've only worn it once, but I did wear it this past fall/winter, so we're keeping that. This shirt, I've had it, I want to say for a couple of years. I keep saying I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear it. And I never wear it. But it's like a cute little off-the-shoulder shirt. It's cute though, right? I keep thinking, oh, I want to wear it. It's so cute. And I've had it for forever, and I've never worn it. So let me know down below, guys, should I keep it or no? This dress. Like, it's so cute. I feel like I gotta keep pulling it up for it to stay up. But it's a pretty dress. Oh, it's so pretty though. But I don't see myself wearing it again. I wore it once. But I don't see myself wearing it again. And that's the hard part. So it's like a satin two-piece set. I'm keeping this. I love these big flowy pieces for like when it's cool outside. Not right now. It's way too hot. It's way too hot for satin. I love this dress though. It's a little big, but I haven't wore it. I just got this one. So I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this one and see if I can wear it this summer. If I don't wear it this summer, I'm going to get rid of it. This one I just got from Fashion Nova. So beautiful. But it's tight on the bodice. Like, so tight I can't button it up. But I'm thinking, I'm on my weight loss journey. Like, what if I can wear it by next summer? But I'm like, do I really want to keep something I had to wait to wear like months and months and months and months from now? Let me know down below if I should keep this and wait till next summer to wear, or should I just let it go? I already gave away like 3 big plastic bags full of stuff. So the rest of the stuff I want to sell because it's also special to me. This one I'm keeping. I'm keeping this. This, I have not worn this yet. I think I've had this for a year and I have not worn it yet. It's so cute, but I just think it's a lot for me. I don't see myself wearing this out in public. Like, you guys can see, it's the shape of a body on here. And it's just really like, I don't think I'm more. I don't know. I love this. I love stuff like this, so I know I'm going to keep this. Ever had something that you loved, but you like wore it like 2 or 3 times, and then when you see it, you get tired of it? That's how I feel about this set. It's a beautiful set, but I've worn it like 2 to 3 times, I'm just like, I have so many other clothes to choose from. Should I keep this? Like, something else. I've had this for years. I never worn it. Still new with tags. I'm gonna let this go. I was planning on wearing it like under something, but I never wore it. This one I'm keeping. I absolutely love this, and I have worn it recently, so you know we're keeping that. These, I have these in so many different colors, and I never wear them. Every time I put it on, I'm like, I just feel like it drags my body down, like it drags my arms down and rounds me out. I just feel like really wide and outside in this. This right here, it's everything to me. But I just feel like, you see my face, like, and I can't help it. Like I feel like, but I love this. I love the color. Fasten it up top here. I just feel like I'm not gonna wear this. I have another one, still new. It's a little bit different than that one. I think I like this one because like it's sort of like snatching, and like the sleeves are long and the puff is bigger. Yeah, I think I like this one. This is so cute. Okay, no, we're keeping this one. I don't know why I haven't worn it yet. I don't know. This one, I've worn it this past winter. I just got this. I love it, so we're keeping this. Got this one as well. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a swimsuit cover up, but I wear it like a cover up over my clothes. I'm keeping it. I love this one, and I have worn it. I got this a few years ago. I tried it on when I first got it. Took some photos for my YouTube channel or whatever, and I've never worn it. I got this one, and I got it in black. It's beautiful. The color is everything, but I'm like, I've never worn it. I've had it for years. I've never worn it. I'll be flashing you guys, but this is a swimsuit cover up, so the skirt is sheer. I do have underwear on. Don't freak out. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute, but I'm like, I don't really go anywhere tropical. Like I have a ton of swimsuits that I never wear, all brand new. Because I don't really go swimming. I don't go anywhere tropical. So I'm like, where would I wear this at? So let me know if I should keep them or not. I have a swimsuit and a swimsuit cover up. I just got these. I'm keeping this one because I'm like, if I ever do go swimming, I have something to wear. This is a swimsuit cover up. I wore it like a shirt one time. And I have a bodysuit underneath here. It's a similar color. But I don't know if I'm going to wear this again. Keep it because I love the color. I love a good neon green. But I'm like, am I going to wear it again? Like, I wore it like 2 years ago. This one I'm keeping. I love this dress. Love this dress. It's so sexy, so chic. Oh, I got this recently, but I honestly don't see myself wearing it. I'm a tall woman. I have big shoulders and I have a chest, especially in this because it's deep cut. So I feel like it's too much for me. I feel like it's too much material. So beautiful though. And I think that's why it's been so hard for me to part with it. It's absolutely beautiful. I just do not see myself wearing this. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. You guys let me know. I love this dress. I don't think I've ever worn it out though. I'm trying to remember. I think I've worn a jacket. Oh no, I haven't. It's still got tags on her. I had this for a while. I love it so much, but I always be self-conscious about wearing it because I just feel like my stomach is protruding because dress is like a tube dress, like a bodycon. There's nothing in there to buffer your stomach. You know, your stomach is just going to be on display. So like, I always feel like I want to wear it, but I always get nervous about wearing it because of my stomach. It's on here because I like it, but I don't know. I think I'm going to stop right now because like there's still so much. This is part 1. Let me know what you guys think and I'll come back with a part 2 and so on and so forth because we have so many clothes to go through.